hello, how are you?
Good afternoon. I'm Mary Jane. I'm 36 years old. I'm married and I have 4 kids, 2 boys and 2 girls. I am experienced working in the Philippines 2 years and like cooking, washing and cleaning.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. How can you overcome your homesickness?
Because of my work. Because of my work.
Okay. Are you financially ready about the medical?
Yes.
Okay. Are you accept the non-working holidays?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you and good luck.
Yes, sir.